Hello, this is a video to show my red fire alarm. This is the key to reset it. This is the switch to turn it on and off. This is the two holes to put this key in. This is the button to press it that makes a noise. These are the 4 flashing lights. Those are the lines to make it go beep, and that's the red flashing light. It's called a beacon. I'm now going to switch it on. Here's the brake glass to push it. This is where the noise is coming from. Now I'm going to show you how to reset it. I'm picking up the key, putting in these 2 holes for the key to go in. Here's the switch to switch it off. Now I'm going to show you inside the fire alarm. Picking up the key, putting in these 2 holes. Here, I take the lid off, and there's wires in there, and here is that gap there to put the lid on, and here's to put this on. This is my fire alarm. Me and my dad made this. Thank you for watching Squeaky Squirrel. Please subscribe and press like button.